Going on our first camping trip in just a couple days, and obviously we gotta stock up the RV. Just got to Walmart, let's go shopping. I have absolutely no seasoning, so we gotta stock up. We got a mini Blackstone, so we're gonna be using a bunch of oil because we're gonna have to season that. Thinking avocado oil, a big one. The kids are obsessed with cereal right now. Okay, they love Cheerios. I've never seen these before. I think we're gonna get these to try. I love any type of s'mores flavored cereal, cookie, anything s'mores flavored. I'm gonna get these because it's camping. We're gonna make s'mores. It's perfect. Yeah, I'm getting a box of these. The kids love Pop-Tarts. All right, it's easy, you know? I would rather have them than not have them. That is a new flavor of Kodiak cakes that I have never seen. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm gonna pass on the raspberry lemon pancakes. This is why I love Walmart. Y'all see those flavors? You don't see them anywhere else. Obviously because we're camping, but also the kids love graham crackers. And I like to get the individual ones because I feel like they just stay fresher. Love me some Ritz chips. Always. Oh. The kids love crackers. We have plenty of juice and body armor, so I think we're just gonna skip this aisle. I'm looping back around to the cookies and stuff because I feel like I need more snacks for the kids. I also did not mention that one of our friends is coming camping too, and he's bringing his son. So I just want to make sure that I have enough snacks for the kiddos, you know? I want to know who thought of this. Oreo flavored Oreos. I love it. I am gonna go with the original though. All right, if you know, you know. These are actually so good. You put those in the freezer, forget about it. Forget about it. Also, I would get these, but they only have the double stuffed. You know what? I'm gonna get them. Like I said, I just want to make sure I have enough, okay? All right, we need some deodorant. Oh, that is certainly interesting. Some soap. Some body wash. I'm actually gonna get 2 hand soaps, one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen. Then I also am gonna need to get some dish soap. Absolutely. Carl texted me and said, don't forget paper towel. I got it. The amount of paper towel that we go through. Oh, it actually reminds me, I'm gonna grab some of this. Okay, we also need to investigate the situation here. Okay, I know the kids will love these. I'm gonna get a pack of these. I think from last year I have these tiny ones, but the bigger bowls, that'll be nice to have. These are actually like nice and they're kind of deep. I've never seen these before. I'm gonna get some of these too. Because let's be honest, we're gonna be eating all weekend. Oh, I love a good seasonal scent. Wasn't a fan of any of them. Was not a fan of those. Some essentials for the kiddos. Okay, technically the last thing on my list is face wash, but I probably am forgetting a bunch of things. Fun fact, I've been using this for years. It used to be just like this one. This is the Walmart's version of this one, but they changed the formula on this one. Don't get me wrong, I like the old one, I like the new one. I also use a CeraVe. Honestly, I go back and forth between like a few different face washes. I like to change it up because, I don't know, I just always done that. I went in and it was light out. I come out, it's dark, and it's like 15 degrees colder. All right, I'm thinking that that's all of the household stuff that we're gonna need for the RV. Obviously, I am gonna need to go to the grocery store to get like meats, milk, yogurt, things like that right before we leave. So the day before we leave, I'll run to the grocery store the night before. I will talk to you guys later. I gotta head home and put all this away. Oh, the lights just went off. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.